There are several patio decoration and refurbishment ideas you can apply whether you have a small or a big patio. If you have a small patio deck, you can make it feel bigger by including outdoor design ideas in the adjacent room. Alternatively, you can give your sunroom all the detail you want for your outdoor space. This can include cane seating, swings, flourishing plants, and a wood floor resembling a deck. As long as the space has the casual air of the outdoors, having people over will come naturally. If you are looking for some inspirational pictures to model your patio after, watch the full video to get some ideas. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of patio design ideas and backyard garden landscaping ideas for your house exterior decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational daily decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. A patio may be just as elegant as a deck while also providing greater seclusion. It may be used as an eating area or a place to rest. Nothing beats a cup of coffee in the morning or a cocktail in the evening al fresco. A patio, on the other hand, is less expensive to construct compared to a deck and normally does not require any specific permissions. Both amenities increase the market value of your property, however decks are more popular. One way of decorating your patio is to make a miniature garden. Any outside area is instantly elevated by a little garden. Whether you want a veggie garden or maybe something grander, it's up to you. The sky's the limit. Creating a little garden doesn't have to be expensive. All you really need are flowers or plants and a little imagination. To optimize grass space, utilize a dedicated space in the yard or place planting zones around the property's perimeter. Begin small and work your way up. There are a few ways to achieve this goal. Along the very edges of your space, plant a tall, wide bush, like the purple smoke bush. Some fantastic, easy to care for container plants can grow 6 or 7 feet every year. Just be sure to keep on top of trimmings to keep it from overgrowing your patio. In a short time it makes an excellent privacy screen. You can also install some climbing vines on a trellis to clearly tell your neighbors, "This is my special space." You can make your patio space a unique one by using carefully picked items that tie the overall outfit together and include a personal touch. Your patio space could also be equipped with an outdoor eating space. Give yourself every excuse to spend time outdoors, starting with a space to eat and enjoy meals outside. This sort of space needs to have comfortable seating and the ability to sit in the sun or shade depending on your mood so that you can get the most use out of your dining experience outdoor living. Your backyard is your own personal oasis. Or, at least, it can be with the right innovation, creativity, and a pinch of hard work. You can transform your backyard on almost any budget just by spreading out projects and using financing options. Water features are great ways to add life, color, and sound to your backyard. You can add statues, patio enclosures, pool covers, and so much more to your outdoor space that will help pull it all together and make it a unique place to get away and escape, even in the middle of a city. Well viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked patio design ideas and backyard garden landscaping ideas for your house exterior decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.